Hey, it's Rob with the Big Green Egg. Now that you got your new grill, we're gonna show you how to grill, roast, smoke, bake using great cooking techniques and showing the versatility of the egg. Let's get started. With direct grilling, food is placed over the fire and cooked directly by flame and heat. It's the ideal way to cook steaks, chops, burgers, boneless chicken breasts, kebabs, fish fillets, many vegetables, and other quick cooking foods. Generally, foods that are tender, less than 2 inches thick, and boneless are good candidates for direct grilling. Let's get started. Top off and light the Big Green Egg Natural Lump Charcoal. The mix of 100% natural oak and hickory wood ensures an even fire and unmatched flavor. After a few minutes, add the cooking grid with no convector. While the stainless steel cooking grid works perfectly for grilling, the cast iron cooking grid retains heat for those beautiful sear marks. Bring the egg up to the desired temperature. Grilling temperatures generally range from 400 to 750 degrees, depending on the food that you are cooking. Direct grilling sears the exterior surface of the meat to form a delicious crust with the juices locked inside. But unlike other grills that allow all the heat to escape into the atmosphere, the Big Green Egg is designed to grill with the dome closed, and that is one of the secrets of the phenomenal results. Please note, never quickly open a hot egg all the way. Burping your egg allows air to slowly and safely enter the dome, preventing any flare-ups that could escape from the front towards you. Just raise the lid an inch or two and pause to burp it before raising the dome completely. You should get in the habit of burping your egg, especially if you've been cooking at temperatures above 300 degrees Fahrenheit, as it's always a good idea to let fresh air into the hot egg slowly when you open it.